But if there's one thing I want everybody to take away from this video, it's this. I'm being deadly serious when I say this. If you are having a shit day, if you're not having a good time, or you know what, even if you are having a good day and you just need something, I'm telling you, and this is not a joke, don't judge me for this. Don't judge me until you've watched it or listened to anything. Go on Netflix, type in Barbie, click on Dreamhouse Adventures, and watch an episode. Maybe not the first one because they're just kind of moving into the house, but watch a couple episodes. The third episode is an absolute banger. Watch that one maybe. And also go onto Spotify, type in Barbie and listen to the theme song. Just do it, okay? You'll thank me after, okay? Literally, if you're having a shit day, if you are having a bad day, go do it. Go listen to Barbie and your mood will change. You'll have a great time and you'll have a good day, because that's what everyone needs, okay? Listen to it before you go to work. Listen to it on your way to work, on your way to school. You need it in your soul. Okay, that was the important message I had to just say. Enjoy the video.
Hi. So, this video is gonna be, wow, I look not great. This video is gonna be not my normal video, but that's okay and that's good. We hope. Okay, my voice is like, you know, I sound like a 12-year-old boy because I literally just woke up. It's 9:20 right now and I'm not awake yet. So, today's video, I don't really I don't actually know what I'm doing today, but I had this random thought, okay, like if anyone's into astrology, or to be fair, if you just have been on the internet, then you would have heard of the Mercury retrograde, okay? And basically, if you don't know what that is, it's basically when everything in everyone's life seems to go for shit and everyone has this to blame all of those things for. Life's going terrible, if things just aren't going well for you, you know, everyone blames it on the Mercury retrograde. It's just ended, so it's currently the 10th of March today, so it either ended today or yesterday, and I thought I would just do this video because I've had a rough time. Like, I've had a rough retrograde this time. Basically, I think the scientific way of explaining what the retrograde is, I'm pretty sure it's when a planet like orbits around the Earth backwards. Is that the right word? Like, it orbit, is that the right? I don't do science. I didn't go to uni. I don't know what I'm talking about really. I think that's what it is, because if it's going backwards, everything's just kind of fucked up and, you know, it's not normal basically. I thought, because I've been having a rough time, it's also Pisces season and I'm a water sign, I'm a Cancer, for anyone that doesn't know, so I feel like any water season I don't struggle with, but it's just hard on my little heart because I'm a water sign. Not gonna lie, I have been having a rough time. I thought today I would just do a video of kind of healing myself after the Mercury retrograde, because I've had some emotional times. I've had many breakdowns this Pisces season and it's not even ended yet. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to kind of be, we're basically going to be having like a day of like self-love, I guess. I'm not going to do anything extravagant. I haven't figured out fully what I'm going to be doing. I wanted to go outside for a bit. We'll see how that goes, because it's like raining and the weather's really shit, and I was hoping it was not going to be shit, but it is. So I don't really know what we're going to be doing fully, but I think we're going to start off by working out. That's what we're going to start off by doing. But anyway, I think that's going to do it for an intro right now. So if you basically just want to have a very chilled day, if you want to just, you know, heal your soul with me, get some pampering tips, because we're going to be doing that as well, then subscribe if you want to, you know, that'll be great. If you don't want to, I see why you may not want to. And give the video a thumbs up as well if you've had a shit Mercury retrograde. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Why am I lay like a high school girl that like has a crush on someone? Like, I'm like... So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So we are going to start off by working out. I need to brush my teeth actually, because, you know, we all need to do that when we first wake up. So I'm gonna brush my teeth, we're gonna work out, we're gonna be healthy. You know, I always personally feel better when I've worked out. I feel like I'm very cranky if I don't work out, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh, okay, workout is done. It's like 10:30 right now. I don't even know how long I was working out for. Oh, okay, so yeah, I work out at home. You know, I don't like people, so I don't want to ever go to the gym. Maybe one day I will be able to, but as for now, we're good. I just do my workouts at home. I need to shower. So I do genuinely feel better now. So, you know, I recommend that, you know, work out, sweat a little bit, boosts your mood. I'm really annoyed about the weather because I was genuinely going to go for a walk, go be in the outdoors and stuff. It's raining outside, it's pretty gross. So I'm going to go for a shower and then probably make some breakfast. I think I might actually put some makeup on. Yeah, I don't know what to have for breakfast. I think I kind of want like a granola and yogurt situation. I did have avocado toast yesterday, so we'll switch it up. Will be a bit interesting, and I'll probably just have some like yogurt and granola and fruit. I kind of want to bake as well. I have my little healthy cookies that I like making. They're just with like bananas and stuff. We can do that as well. We can bake. That's, you know, taking care of ourselves because we're making a dessert, but it's also a healthy one. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go shower. Okay, so another important thing to do, okay, is to sage your surroundings. So that's what I'm gonna do. To be fair, I always do this. Every time I finish my workout, every time I'm done with my workout, and before my shower, I'll like come up to my room and I will sage my bedroom. We don't want any bad vibes lingering around. We want them gone. I don't even know if this one's gonna work because it's like pretty used. There we go. Smells so good. Okay, we have showered, we're good. We got dressed because I hear that's what normal people do. Dressed. Hold on, I'll show you what I'm wearing. Not that anybody gives a shit. Hi, how are we doing? Okay, so let's talk about this a second. This is a shoelace, okay, from some boots that I just threw out. But all my belts are like too big, so we've gone with a shoelace as a belt. And why do I kind of like it? Like, I'm kind of like obsessed. I kind of like it. Great. Okay, this is gonna be the world's worst like outfit detail thing because I don't know where this is from. It's either from Pretty Little Thing or ASOS. It'll be one of the two. I think my jeans are from New Look as well. So great, we've done that whole situation, and I'm wearing slippers. Okay, I don't really know what to do now. I think I'm just gonna get some breakfast because I am starving. Nope. Oh shit. Phone setup is literally in the cupboard right now. Didn't really do my hair. I literally just put dry shampoo in it, and I'm gonna hope for the best. So it's like almost 12 p.m. I probably should eat the avocado because it's not looking great. Really soft, but I really just want some granola and strawberries. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna probably start baking actually. I'm gonna put the oven on. I need to drink my green juice as well. Ugh. Okay, is this step 3 or step 4? So we worked out, we saged the bad vibes away. Breakfast, okay. I'm gonna have to have this. This is my green juice. I've been making them even more green than I usually used to. That's not even that bad. Okay. I'm gonna drink that as well. It's for my stomach because I get a stomachache from drinking like water. So I went to a gemstone shop. Well, not a gemstone shop. It's like a crystal shop. I went there yesterday. I did go and I got a few stones, so I can show you what I got if anyone cares about that. Yogurt, I put chia seeds in it, and then this is like the best granola on the planet, honestly. It's like Asda's own brand. This one is really nice. This one's a chocolate and almond one. Beautiful. And then I'll just put strawberries on top. So let me do that, drink this shit. We can see the crystals and see what stuff that I bought. Don't know why I'm always in the kitchen, but we're back anyway. I actually went to this little cute, like, it was kind of like a farmer's market kind of vibe, a cute little health shop. I'll insert some clips of it because it was so cute. It was really cute. So we got some fresh veg and stuff, which we love.
So yeah, you know, we like that. I love that. It was the first place that I've been to where they didn't actually have packaging on mushrooms, which is great because we just don't want that plastic life. I really might go for a nap in a little bit, but I feel like I should be being interested in this video, and I feel like I've literally not been doing anything. Gonna make a coffee, I think.
Okay, who's ready for a crystal haul? I don't know if that's the thing. Okay, coffee's made. Beautiful. I didn't actually get a ton of stuff, I just kind of wanted to have a look around. First thing I got was actually a soap, a handmade soap. I got this from my mum to kind of give her on Mother's Day with some other stuff. It's an orange zest handmade soap, so I got that for her, hoping she doesn't watch this video because then she's just seeing what I bought for it. I got 3 little stones, which to be fair I need to actually wash these. My sister's like a spiritual queen. She knows about this kind of shit and she just said that to put it in salt water and then like leave it outside. I think I'm gonna leave them outside overnight probably so they can charge with the moonlight or something. She said something along those lines. So I'm gonna do that tonight probably. I just got these ones. So I got a blue solidite for calming, relaxation, that kind of vibe. So I feel like I could do with that. You know, we could always do with that. Everybody needs some of this. Some amethyst, which this is actually really nice amethyst as well. Sometimes you can get like really cheap shitty ones. This is actually a really nice one. Obviously amethyst is a healing and like protection. When I went for an astrology reading, my astrologer told me to keep it like a cluster or just keep it somewhere around my room or something. So I do actually have like a cluster of amethyst, but I thought I'd get another one. And then I got some red jasper, which is for empowerment because that's good. We always want some empowerment. This one's pretty cool. It's like got black on it, and that's what I love about like stones and crystals and stuff, that they're all like individually different. I just got some sage because, in fact, I thought mine was running out, but we saw this morning she's still going. This smells pretty good actually. Just got some more sage as well, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, that is it for now. I'm gonna go probably just edit and do some stuff that I need to do because still gotta work. I'll try and work, and then I feel like I should take a bath. My sister told me to take a bath and I'm kind of gonna listen to her. She said I need to be with myself.
Okay, hi folks. It's like 9 p.m. right now, and honestly that whole bath situation and didn't appeal to me in any way. I feel really drained. I was gonna do like a face mask, do like a proper pamper situation, but you know what? I'm just not feeling it. So yeah, basically what have I even been doing? I feel like it's been one of those days where like I don't really know what I've been doing. But I did cook dinner actually. Well actually, you know what, I didn't really cook. Me and my sister just made some vegan like chicken burger things. Had a good time. And we watched Barbie, which was great. Yes, I just said I watched Barbie. It's on Netflix. Not right. This isn't even a joke, okay? Barbie's Dreamhouse Adventures on Netflix. I shit you not. It's the best thing you'll ever watch. It's just got like some life lessons in there. She's also a fucking YouTuber. I might put some under eye masks on maybe. Shall we do that? Shall we be a bit interesting? Found one. Found one here, so I thought we could put an eye mask on. And do I need more light? Oh, great. That's what I meant to do. Got a simple brightening under eye hydrogel mask. I'm gonna have to take my glasses off so I'm not gonna be able to see, so if I'm not actually looking at the camera. I mean, I'm filming this on my phone right now because my SD card's in my laptop, so never tried them before, so we'll see how they go. So I thought we'd do this and just talk about the retrograde situation, because honestly it's been a rough time. I feel like I remember my sister telling me as well that oh, these feel so nice. My sister mentioned to me once that the retrograde like has something to do with like technology and like it like fucks up everything. You know what, before she even said that, like not even kidding, this time round as well, like this retrograde, when I've been trying to edit videos and just do what I've wanted to be doing, it hasn't been working. There's still a video that I wanted to upload literally like probably a month now, a month ago. it just wouldn't let me edit it. I put this the right way. I've done it wrong. Oh well. Okay. So yeah, we love the retrograde for all that, but you know what? The retrograde is now over, so let's stop blaming that for everything going wrong and deal with everything that's going wrong. I think that's, oh my god, that's gone in my eye. So yeah, that's basically it. I don't even know why I was talking about. I don't even know why I decided to do this video. I don't know if this is even I think it's kind of a pointless video that I've done today, but you know what, I don't care. I've had a good time. Also, if anyone is watching this video and you understand about astrology, you understand the retrograde situation, you're into it, let me know how your retrograde has been. You know, if it's been worse because it's been in Pisces, or if it's not it's been in Pisces, but like it's been in during Pisces season, if that's affected you. If it hasn't, I'm pretty sure I looked up the next retrograde as well, and it's in like July. It's literally, I think it's, I'm trying to look for my phone and I'm filming on it. I'm pretty sure it's like near my birthday as well. So I mean, Cancer season is always an emotional time. I feel like I always have an emotional birthday, but let's revise over what we've done today to feel good and to heal ourselves. So we actually woke up. That was a good start. We woke up today. Lovely. Love that. We worked out. Also great. I actually felt really good after I worked out today, which to be fair I always do. We had a good breakfast. We had a healthy breakfast. Oh, we saged. Make sure you sage yourself, your house, wherever you live. Just always sage. I have a window open as well while you sage, and like while it's burning afterwards, so you know the bad vibes, the neggy energy can flow on out because you don't want that around. So we saged, we got some cute vegetables. I actually love grocery shopping. We had a good dinner. We've had a good time. Okay, I'm just really tired today. I honestly don't know. I just literally thought I'd have more energy for this video, but I haven't. So okay, that's it. I think I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you thought it was just absolute crap and a waste of your time, I do apologize. But you know what? Look after yourself. You have to look after yourself. Okay, I'm gonna go. I hope everyone's had a lovely retrograde. If you haven't, like me, you're not alone, don't worry. You know what? Fuck these masks. I'm probably gonna take them off in like a minute anyway. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed whatever the fuck this was. Subscribe as well, you know, for a good time. Oh my god, what am I even doing? Anyway, yeah. Give the video a thumbs up if you do like astrology and you, I don't know, just do it because it's nice to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna go. So thanks again so much for watching, and I'll be back to a regular video. Well, not a regular video. None of my videos are regular. They're all pretty irregular. Anyway, I'm gonna go. Bye.